Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiryaoni, back with another video. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make this crystal rotating tray. So what you're going to need for this tutorial, it's only 4 things. You need crystals, which I got from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need E6000 glue, a mirror. Mine is a 12-inch mirror, and a Lazy Susan that I got from Amazon. So as you guys see, these are 2 different sizes of crystals that come in this package, the smaller one and the bigger one. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them so that I can now create my design. So I went around and I did all of the designs that I could think of that I thought would look nice on this tray, just to see, which one was my favorite and which way I wanted to go around doing this tray. So if you guys want to do this DIY, you can kind of take note on the different styles that I have so that you know which one that you want to do. And so this was the design that I settled upon, and it's the rotating, alternating pattern of the small and the big crystals. And so I'm putting on my E6000 glue. Now I put my E6000 glue on the tips. You guys can see right now I'm putting it on the tips of the crystal, and then I am going about halfway up the crystal, or just enough for the hole on the crystal to be covered, because I don't want any holes to be shown on this tray, which is why I chose this pattern. But yeah, so make sure that you put enough E6000 glue on here as well, because the more you put and the less stingy you are with the glue, the more it is easier to adhere, and the harder it is for the beads to fall, or the crystals to fall, while you are putting on all of your crystals. And so I just go all the way around doing the same thing, and this is how it turned out. I love this tray. I've been wanting one for so long, but I didn't want to pay a whole bunch to buy one, so I made it. If you guys like this video, please like, comment below, share this video, and subscribe to your girl. And yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, leave those down below also. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the next one. Peace.